If 2020 couldn't get any crazier, it just did. Holy bonkers, guys. This is a breaking news video. Uber and Lyft are getting sued by the California Labor Commission for stealing wages. Oh my gosh. If 2020 couldn't get any crazier, it just did. Holy bonkers, guys. Holy gazebos. I don't even know what I'm saying. I can't even think right now. I can't believe Uber's getting sued right now. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. Use the link down below to get cash back on your gas because you're gonna need it. Uber and Lyft is might be ending right now. Holy bazonkers. Here we go. This is in the LA Times. LA Times is major key, guys. California Labor Commissioner sues Uber and Lyft for wage theft. In its latest move to take gig economy companies to task, Uber is suing Uber and Lyft for alleged wage theft. The state says the companies have willfully misclassified drivers as independent contractors instead of employees, depriving them of basic worker protection and wages. You guys remember when all that stuff was going on with Uber and Lyft and employees versus independent contractors in California? Now is the time that the California Wage Commission is like, well, you guys never made drivers employees? Boom. Here's a 100-page lawsuit, and drivers are gonna make money, guys. Guys, if you're an Uber driver in California, or a Lyft driver, or if you've ever driven an Uber and Lyft, like me, you could be getting tons of money. Uber might have to owe us tons of money. I'm actually excited because, you know, I could use an extra couple grand. Here we go. The lawsuit's brought by California Labor Commissioner Lilia Garcia-Brower. Lilia Garcia-Brower, you are an American hero. Seek to stop the two companies from misclassifying their drivers and allow the Labor Commissioner to recover unpaid wages and other compensation that drivers are entitled to. Yes! More money for us, baby! On the Labor Commissioner's website Wednesday, filed in Alameda County Superior Court, the lawsuits request that the court order Uber and Lyft to stop misclassifying their drivers as independent contractors. Oh my gosh, guys, this is crazy. California's landmark employment legislation, Assembly Bill 5, ramped up the battle over, guys, Uber and Lyft. They thought they could get away with, we're supposed to make all of our drivers employees. Shh. No, we're just gonna keep having them gig workers. No one will notice. Someone notice, guys. Companies such as Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash have put up a vehement fight against the legislation, pouring millions of dollars into a ballot measure called Prop 22 that would carve out a third category of work for drivers. That's not gonna happen. You guys are getting sued. You're gonna go bankrupt. They're gonna get sued for billions, guys. You know how many drivers drive in California? All those unpaid wages? Think about all those 40-hour work weeks you've done. I've done those. I know some drivers watching this video probably gone out and done. Comment down below how many trips you've done. How many trips, and guess how many hours you've done. Guys, I'm talking every single trip you've done, you could get an extra $10, $20 per trip they might owe you. Some of you guys out there have done 10,000 trips. That's $100,000, $200,000. Guys, this is lawsuit money. This is not playing around. This is unpaid wages. This is huge money. You could get up to 100 grand. I'm not joking. Yeah, here we go. More than 2,000 California ride-hailing drivers have filed claims against the companies, alleging Uber and Lyft owe them more than $630 million. So 630 million divided by 2,000. 630 million divided by 2,000. That's $315,000 per driver. Lyft alleged the state filed a lawsuit in order to reduce its work on these wage claims. Guys, this is crazy. I'm gonna have to make an update video tomorrow, so make sure to like and subscribe on this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, you do not want to miss this. I'm gonna make an update video as soon as I hear more information because I want to hear what Uber says back. All right, guys. Yeah, for years, Uber and Lyft have been stealing wages and exploiting every legal loophole they can to avoid paying drivers what they deserve. It was shameful before, and it is even more shameful now. during the middle of a pandemic that we have allowed wealthy companies to get away with this. This lawsuit is an essential part of holding these companies accountable and protecting drivers' rights. Need I say this again? Uber and Lyft are both multi-billion-dollar companies. I think Uber's valued at around $80 billion. Lyft over $1 billion, I'm not sure. And the craziest part about this is the people that they employ or independent contract out to do their work, their dirty work, aka driving, because what is Uber without driving? Absolutely nothing. They employ people who are living paycheck to paycheck, and it's absolutely crazy. And the people who are, living paycheck to paycheck, hey, we just want a little bit more money. We just want an increase in fares. At least, you're only paying us 30 cents per mile. Come on, we want at least $1 a mile. They go, no, we're gonna keep, oh yeah, you want 100% commission? Here, buy this drive pass. It's absolutely crazy. Uber and Lyft should not be treating, their workers who work really hard and are struggling so poorly. So maybe this is the first time that actually Uber and Lyft might be going down and drivers might be picking up the bill, or might be not picking up the bill, but getting the cash on this lawsuit. So hopefully we could get a couple $100,000 out of this. I'm hopeful. I'm super hopeful about this. I'll talk to you guys soon, and I'll make an update video ASAP. All right, thanks for watching, and bye.